What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another vlog. So today's something special. We're gonna be taking a trip to the beach, and I'm gonna try my best to vlog the entire time, or at least some of the time, and give you guys some, a little bit of what we're gonna do today, and that way you guys can see me and my family in action. So right now we're just getting ready. We have some stuff packed up. We're just going for the day, so we'll be back later on. But yeah, we're gonna be chilling at the beach, hanging out. All right, everybody, so we're on our way right now. We're just taking off from town, and it's gonna take about almost 3 hours to get there, mainly because of traffic. It's Friday, so there's still people heading to work and all that good jazz. So yeah, hang tight, and we'll be there in about 2 hours and 45 minutes. We're almost here. We're about 10 minutes away. We are in San Luis Obispo County, SLO, and yeah, we're almost there. The air feels fresh. There's a lot of traffic today. We almost got into an accident. We almost saw somebody literally get into an accident on the side. They're doing some crazy Tokyo drift stuff. But yeah, so far it's been okay. We're almost there. That's where Madonna lives, the Madonna Inn. She's not there right now, but it's a nice house that she has. She has a grip of cars. We're almost here. Avila is one of the beaches that we've been going to more frequently. It's a smaller beach, but it's really nice. It has some really cool areas to walk around. Nothing crazy, but I would highly recommend it to anybody who just wants to come and lay on the beach and just have some good scenery. Most people here are really cool. During the pandemic when we came, people were wearing masks, very respectful of space, which is really cool. Tesla, that's a game we play. We call out Teslas every time we see it. But yeah, it should be a really good day. We got here a little later than we usually do. Usually we try to get here around 10, 10:30 or 11 the latest. We're getting here about noon. But right now in Cali, the days are long, the weather's great. So we're not leaving anytime soon right now. We're gonna be leaving later on. All right, and here we are. We are at Avila Beach. So now all we have to do is find some parking. I see the parking right over there. We're gonna park and then we're gonna head to the beach.
And wine tasting.
So it's really beautiful here. As you can see, there's a lot of little shops, some wine tasting restaurants, souvenir shops. Today it's packed. I expected this, seeing as it's gonna be 4th of July weekend soon. I think everybody's just trying to head to the beach before it gets too packed, or but yeah, overall it looks pretty cool today. Yeah, I like it here. If I could live here, I would live here for part of the year, and I think live somewhere else. Tesla.
Tesla.
So what's going on, everybody? We made it. Here we are. Here's Dominic. So yeah, we made it. It took us about a little over 2.5 hours. But the weather looks really nice right now. It's supposed to be 77 degrees. Yeah, we're excited to be here. We came in our new car. We just got this car a while ago, actually a couple weeks ago, but she's doing really great. So yeah, we got a new Toyota Camry 2021 SC. It's
I know it's gonna
cherry.
be
Right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start getting everything out of the car. We're gonna start heading over to the beach. We might walk around, but if not, we will probably end up laying in the beach and just relaxing. So yeah, come along with us. So we're gonna head back, and I have to place this on my dash. There we are. There's Grace. Got our ticket. All we do now is we open this door, we put it on the dash, and we're good to go. All right, so here we are. This is kind of like where people walk around. There's different types of shops, as you can see over there on that side and over there. But this is what we came for. This is what we're about to do. We're about to relax. We're about to take it all in, see how long we're gonna be here, hopefully a couple hours. Boys trying to tan out. Been here for a little while. Probably be here for a little while longer. But yeah, the weather looks nice right now. So a real quick update because I'm tired, and yeah, we got home. We're home. We got home about an hour ago, so 9 o'clock. But yeah, good day. Not sunburned. Feel good. Overall good time. Thank you for watching the vlog. If you haven't, please comment, like, subscribe. But yeah, thank you for joining me. Peace.